Today I'd like to share with you my December Scribbler box. This is a subscription box for writers, and you can also have this delivered by going to GoScribbler.com and you can get your own box there. I personally like this because it cheers me up every month and it gives me a fresh new book to read. So here we go, December Scribbler box. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is the Scribbler postcard. This is a writing contest they offer every single month that you can enter when you order your Scribbler box. And we have all the orange confetti. Very cool. All right, and what do we have here? This looks pretty neat. It looks like a reusable bag. And it says, between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. Oh, that's a great bag. I really love that. It looks like a nice canvas, heavy-duty, reusable bag. Wonderful. And also in the Scribbler box, we have a fountain pen. How nice. Fresh new pen to start the year with. That's wonderful. And we have ZZ's Mixies, dried fruit, raisins, pineapple, cranberries, and apples. A nice little treat. Cute little snack. And of course we have our Scribbler Passport book on cliffhangers. That should be pretty exciting. Follow your passion always. And we have the publishing process inside. Look. Here we are. Also by Charlie Holmberg, The Paper Magician. It looks like it's talking about that book a little bit. Story pitch. Scribbler. And also the list of everything inside the box. Oh, you are invited to an exclusive chat with best-selling author Elsie Kova, January 12th, Tuesday, 12 p.m. Meet Elise Kova. USA Today bestselling author. In her past lives, she has graduated from an MBA program, lived in Japan for a bit, and worked for a Fortune 500 technology company. However, she finds herself much happier in her current reincarnation as full-time author. When not writing, she can usually be found playing video games, drawing, watching anime, or talking with readers on social media. It would be nice to get a conversation in. Very cool. Exclusive chat. Wonderful. And we have our book plate here. And of course, our book of the month, Spellbreaker, author of Paper Magician, Charlie N. Holberg. This looks pretty good. Let's see what this is about. It says, the orphan Elsie Camden learned as a girl that there were two kinds of wizards in the world, those who pay for the power to cast spells and those like her, born with the ability to break them. But as an unlicensed magic user, her gift is a crime. Commissioned by an underground group known as the Cowls, Elsie uses her spell breaking to push back against the aristocrats and help the common man. She always did love the tale of Robin Hood. Elite magic user Bacchus Kelsey is one elusive spell away from his mastership when he catches Elise breaking an enchantment. To protect her secret, Elsie strikes a bargain. She'll help Bacchus fix unruly spells around his estate if he doesn't turn her in. Working together, Elsie's trust in and fondness for the handsome stranger grows. So does her trepidation about the rise and the murders of wizards and the theft of their spellbooks their bodies leave behind. For a rogue spellbreaker like Elsie, there's so much to learn about her powers, her family, the intriguing Bacchus, and untold dangers shadowing every step of a journey she's destined to complete. But will she uncover the mystery before it's too late to save everything she loves? That sounds like a great book. Be sure to check into this one this month. And thank you again for spending Vlogmas with me. And I hope you enjoyed the Scribbler unboxing. And that may be something to think about for yourself or a gift for another writer. And have a great night and Happy New Year's.